Hello, I'm Marie from DocSense. Today we will explain how to use the Windows client. For this example, we'll be using Konica Minolta devices, but this tutorial also works for other brands of devices too. This video is valid starting from version 6 of Watchdoc. The Windows client allows you to easily install your multifunction devices and facilitate their use within your company. To start, go to the Print Queues tab in the Watchdoc administration interface and tick the locations of your devices. If it is not located in the correct place, simply click on the chosen multifunction device, edit properties, and select the correct location. You can now open the Watchdoc Print Client application and log into your Watchdoc account. Your location will be automatically detected. Secure printing is already available in the application. You can add your preferred printer by clicking on the plus button and then the installation button associated with your multifunction device. All you have to do is open your document, start the print job, and select your printer. Isn't it easy? To make sure you don't miss any of our videos, don't hesitate to subscribe. For more information, visit our documentation website doc.docsense.com.